Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check Android version and the lock's firmware. Mismatches cause pairing failures. Once done, make sure both devices are above 50% battery and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on because connectivity drops are the main culprit. Open the Lock app in Google Play, then update the app. Updates often patch pairing bugs. Enter your account credentials now if prompted. This prevents mid-setup interruptions. These steps set a stable baseline, so the rest of the fix will work. You clear the app cache and force stop to remove stale states, because cached errors often block pairing. Next, grant location, Bluetooth, and background activity permissions. Without background access, the app can't maintain connection. Enable auto start if your phone vendor kills apps aggressively. Put the lock in pairing mode, then use the app to scan BLE or enter the lock's PIN code manually. This avoids flaky scans. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth and retry. This resets the radio, and you finish by testing every feature. Lock and unlock, status updates, and push notifications, because some problems only appear under real use. If behavior is inconsistent, reboot your phone and apply any available lock firmware update. Reboots clear transient conflicts. Make sure the app shows a stable, connected state before relying on the lock. If nothing works, perform the lock's factory reset as a last resort and repair from scratch. This clears corrupted configs. One key tip: keep another authenticated user in the app to avoid lockouts during fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.